What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another must or bust video. And I have the Beyblade X Extreme Arena. And I am super excited. I've been trying to get this for a while. I finally found one at a Walmart. And I'm so excited to unbox this. So here's the front of the box. It's really, really nice. Let's go ahead and go to the side, the back of the box. As you can see here, it has all the stats. If you want to pause the video and look at these, you can. And here's the point systems on the side of the box. And yeah, if you want to pause the video again, you can. So let's go ahead and get straight into unboxing this amazing X Arena. So let's go ahead, cut all the sides. There's not one on the bottom. Perfect. I'm gonna open the box. Let's move that to the side. And the box like this. And whoo, I see it. This is everything in the box. The bays and the launchers are all in here. And we are going to need this for the Beyblade Arena itself. So that looks amazing. Let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and look at these Beyblades. And cut through. Here is all the parts for the arena. You're gonna need that for the arena. Let's talk about the launcher. So here's the launcher. It is the same launcher that comes with a starter pack that you get from your standard grocery store, but it's a different color. The one that usually comes with is really bright white, and it's the same thing. It probably works the exact same, which I have no complaints about this launcher. It's a really good launcher to start off with. There should be 2 of them in your box. Next, if we take this off, there should be 2 rip cords, and they go inside the launchers like that, and boom, that's simple. Next, we have at the very bottom of the package, the bays themselves. All the bays are in this packaging, so let's go ahead and start off with the Hasbro exclusive bay, Tusk Mammoth. And this Beyblade looks absolutely amazing from my perspective. I've never seen a bay look like this. And for the bay, it is a balance type. Let's go ahead and open this up. And boom, that is Tusk Mammoth. That is an amazing Beyblade. That looks amazing. And that is really cool. It's a very nice vibrant purple. Next, we have is the ratchets, which I think is 460 or 360. It is 360. A very nice purple 360. It's the same one that actually comes on Sword Dran. Has a very nice color. And next we have the bits, which should be T. T should be your bit for this one. And this is a balance type bit. This is the same one that comes on Siphon and Cynthia. A really good tip for Beyblading, and it's really fun to use. I really like this bit. So let's go and put this Beyblade together by, so you get your ratchet, you line it up, and then twist right, and then you push in your bit. Boom. Tusk Mammoth. And that is a really beautiful Beyblade. I really enjoy that. That is a really nice Beyblade. The next Beyblade that we have to unbox here is Dagger Dran, and I'm really, really excited about this one. One of the main reasons I wanted this because of Dagger Dran. It is a very cool Beyblade that you can buy in this packaging. Ooh, these things are so hard to unbox. I don't know why. Go and slice through there, and boom. Dagger Dran. That is amazing looking. That is one of the most pretty Beyblades I've ever seen. That is a really pretty blue. That is a really nice. This is actually the upgraded version of Sword Dran with the original. So we'll compare that in a little bit. The next one we have is the ratchet, which is 460. And that is hard to get out of here. Oh, come on. There we go. That is the coolest 460 I've ever seen. The same one that comes on Siphon and Cynthia And that is a beautiful ice and clear blue, which that's gonna go on here. And then one of the things I'm super excited for is this bit that comes with Dagger Dram. And this is special because this is, I think, the only Beyblade right now that actually comes with this bit. So let's go and put it together. Same thing as the other one, and boom, absolutely amazing. So let's compare Sword Dram to Dagger Dram, the two Beyblades. First thing for Sword Dram, it has kind of the same type of flat bit that comes on Dagger Dram. It's just a little bit skinnier and has less of those little ridges on them. Really weird. And this is the ratchet that comes onto it. It's the same one that came on Tusk Mammoth, but this one has 4 instead of the basic 3. And then the layers themselves are completely different. This one only has 3, and I think this one has a 6-bladed main, and this one only has a 3-bladed main. And their colors are a little bit more different, and the gear chip is completely different as well. So, yeah. The next thing I'm going to be doing is go ahead and build the arena. So, see you in a second when it's built. All right, there we go. Yeah. So I have the showstopper here to help me battle, and he has Tusk Mammoth. So you ready, Dad?
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, it's grinding on those rails. See? Oh, Dram Buster is a really good Beyblade. So this is Battle 2, and remember, for the point system, if you saw it earlier, that was 2 points for that first round.
Very nice. That's a nice arena.
Oh, edit that out. 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Ooh, massive.
Whoa, those rails are really crazy. No burst yet.
This is a friendly battle. Oh, I got the dub. Let's go.
All right. Try to launch it a little harder. There you go. Oh, other side. Yeah, if you launch it harder.
Dude, I did it hard that time.
All right, do as hard as you can. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it.
Ooh!
Use that extreme rail system. That's really cool.
Oh! Come on, go, 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 go! Ah!
Woo! Let's go, Dram Buster for the win. This arena is insane. It's an insane arena.
It is nice.
I like that it grinds on that rails and
go.
like goes.
Yeah, no, it kind of gives a little zip.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh, burst!
Oh!
That's a burst finish for
Let's roll.
Dad here.
Let's go.
Oh man.
This is Daddy Do It.
This is how Daddy did it, baby. Gotta put my Sword Dram back together because that was a crazy burst.
Launch!
In 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Come on, power!
Boom!
Oh! Oh! Come on!
I win! Let's go! GG.
Good job.
You got that burst too? I did not expect that.
I did get a burst too. Yeah, that was good.
And that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this extreme arena battle. This set is one of the best sets I've ever gotten, and this thing is going to be so much fun for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. And remember, like and subscribe.